morning, everyone. Welcome to this session number 315. And in this session, this is my last try with this problem. This is the course schedule 2. And yeah, this is my last try with this problem. But well, yesterday I had this. Well, basically the situation here is this function. Okay, this DFS, for example, the first time course is 0 because we start with the course 0. Okay, and the first is validate if if this course has been complete before. No. Okay, we start with the for that it is a for that is for each or iterate over the elements map.get or default. Yeah, this case is course and the default is a new array list. Yeah, and it's basically this course need this course, for example, the course depend of the 2 and 4, for example, and here we need ask if scene contains n, means that has been complete before. It's not necessary execute this code when was processed before, but in the other case, for the reason it is negative. Okay, DFS, and this DFS should be have the n and the process. Okay, now in this point, process on add course. Yeah, it's at the course. For example, if the first time is this, basically, okay, we are in this process, or this process is in process. Yeah, and here is basically we need a conditional here if process contains n. Because, for example, if you are in the course 0 and the course 0 depend, for example, of the course 0, well, in this case, for example, happen this, and it's basically return false. Yeah, and this return false, return false, return false. Now for this, I need do something with this DFS because return a volume, but let me continue. Okay, and here basically is return true. Why true? Because when this is complete, because it's empty or all the elements are done, means that this course has been complete. In this case is sync.add the course, and result.add course. Now for this, for example, if the 0 depend of the 5 and depend of the 9 and the 5 is true but the 9 is false, this should be completed. Okay, yeah, here yeah, I think that I can create a boolean uh, flag. It's equal false, no, it's equal true, and basically is this, it's equal flag, and basically is if always is true, this should be true, but if in one moment appear false, all the results possible are false in the final. And here is if flag is false, return false. Yeah. Mm-hmm. If here in any moment return this, contains zero zeros. Okay. No, I think that here boolean r is equal this. If r is negative, return false. Stop. What happened in this case basically is stop. Okay. Now the result show that I am duplicate the values. Oh, it's for this. Yeah. If result contains course but in negative, yeah, okay. Why here appears 0 0 0 0 1 1? It's strange where here appeared this. I bet that is because return this case, but why? Okay, let me comment this only for discover what is the reason. What? Index 0. What? 0 1 and the rest is here. Okay, this process. Now is this. It's container false. Don't false. Dot add. Oh, yeah. Here is result in the index I. It's equal. I think that I can start on the last. No. Here it's a 4 that for each result. Here it's equal 0. No. Right of length less 1. And here is array in the index I less less is equal n. Why less 1? This is plus 1. No, because in this case no course is 2. Start in the last. And take a result. Come on, I need know what is the value of result. How many elements have result? Contain duplicates. Okay, I know why contain the duplicates, for this reason. When is this in scene contains I but in negative, what is happening? No, let me check my another solution that I used before. Okay, this is my previous solution. Let me check. I think that this is not necessary, and here I can put I can put here is map dot contains key. The key is the letter A, but in negative is A, and add this element here. This is remove it. And now, since it doesn't contain this, okay, add this value, and this is the DFS. And this DFS, this doesn't make sense. Well, makes sense, but inside the loop. And sim contains the value, but it don't make sense because I have this validation. And basically here is boolean result is equal this if error is negative, return false. If all this happen, in scene add course get or default. New array list. Okay, why is happening this? Okay, let me check. You receive, for example, here receive this 0. The 0 is contained, is seen before, no. Is process, in this case is process the 0. The 0 get out the file, well, this basically is empty list. Is contained here, no, okay, is add to the list and is marked as complete and return true. Okay, and this return true and seen. This course is marked as complete. When go to the one has been visited before, no. Okay, if yes, the one, here is the one. Now this return the 0. The 0 is contained in the process now because only have one. The 0 has been processed before. This case is true, but negative is false. Is not execute, is complete this. Result contains the course 1, no. Add, why not? Hi, Yamka. I'm trying to resolve. This is my last try with this problem. It's the course schedule 2. But all my solution or my proposal of the solution are very similar. But okay, in this case, for example, I am trying to fix this solution. But don't make sense, for example, this problem mentioned that you have this course, for example, the one for take the course 1, you need the complete the course 0. For take the course 2, you need complete the course 0. For the 3, you need the 1. For the 3, need also the 2. Yeah, and the idea is that return the order BFS. I'm not sure because, for example, with DFS, let me check. For example, with DFS, you start here and is go to the 2, for example, return the 2. Now, no, because in this way with the DFS, I think that you can resolve it, but the situation is that you need, for example, if you are in the course 0, the only way that you can discover if this course is complete is when all the other courses are completed. Yeah, this is the idea. Topologic sort. Okay, let me check. To solve the the first vertex graph and the topical sort. The following 4, it's 4, 5, 3, 1, 0. 4. In DFS, we print the vertex in the recursive code. Sorting, we need to print a vertex before the adjacent vertices, for example. Print before the okay, makes sense because basically this is the idea with this you need for example print this value you need complete the previous. Yeah. Okay, I didn't know this topologic. Okay, create a graph with n vertices and n direct h. Start visit for each unvisit vertex in the graph the following call the fees function. Okay. Okay. What is adjacent? Adjacent. I think that is the list with the elements. But with the map, I can resolve this in the stack. For you have the stack. I really hate this advertising. Okay, 1 minor b and b is visit. this. Function profitable. Okay, for example, here this is the graph. Okay, now adjacent to get topological sort. Topological sort util B. Topological sort is this. Adjacent and B. What is B? B number of nodes. Okay. This topological sort, adjacent, and the number of the elements, stack, basic, characteristic function, a for between 0 to this has been visited before. Print the content of the stacks. Well, this is not important, but this now is topological sort utils, and basically this is the function. Receive the index, the current node, the adjacent elements, adjacent. The adjacent is basically the map. Visit, that is the stack, and no, visit is the boolean, and the stack. It's marked as a true. Okay, yeah, this. Well, currently I am using a set, but yeah, makes sense that use an array of booleans. Basic topological sort. Okay. Okay. Currently, I think that I have a few coincidences here. The first point is that, well, basically I have this map for these elements. Now the next that is num course has been processed before. In this case, let me check here. Okay, one moment, because I don't like this advertising. Okay. What is the function? The function is this. The adjacent basically is fill all the map with the values and the number of nodes. Okay, and this is the map and number of nodes. We start this, initialize the stack. Okay, and the stack is put here, topological sort utils. Has been visited before. Okay, here I need add the logic for detect the cycles. Sorry, I forget to. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. Even in this moment, I am discover. Well, maybe I didn't know this concept, but I have a little idea because my current solution, well, is more complex, obviously, but this is very practice. The first point is that when you use the stack, well, it's not necessary pass a parameter. I can declare the stack in the as a global variable for avoid this. But with this, basically, you have the right order because this is the no, yeah, it's the queue. Okay, if you add this and the final, aha, yeah, it's the queue. Uh-huh. Okay, let me try to resolve in this way. In my way, in next two, I will try to apply this topologic. Um, but at least now I have a tip. Okay, for example, to reset the zero, okay, different false is contained. This is the logic for detect the cycles in the node or in the graph. Since contained. When since doesn't contains this. Okay, let me remember what is the result of the this. Output zero in all of them. I think that is for this. Okay, let me come back to my submit tab. Okay. But the case where this is wrong is what is this? No, I don't remember what is the test where this is wrong. Come on. And the number is 10. Come on, I need break this solution. 7 is done. Okay, I think that okay, these are the same. This is wrong. Come on, what is my okay, I think it's this. Okay, yeah. I have currently this and this return this, but should be return false, and it's for this reason. Boolean error, and is if error is negative, return false. Yeah. But here, for example, this return false because mentioned that the process has been process a dragon. Sorry, I sometimes yeah, sure. Okay, here I don't know why this is caught in this point. I think that is for this. Yeah, Bianca mentioned the same, but I didn't know this topologic sort. But okay, let me check the solution, because this was my third try, and this solution, but I need to know. Okay, using DFS. That I think that is the okay with the code. What is white black? Okay. 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 Mm, I don't know. I think that is more complex. Mm-hmm. Initialize this. We have the adjacent list. Okay, if yes is possible, negative, and return false. This color put not gray. Transversal neighborhood. Okay. If the color is white, if yes, if the color is gray, is possible false. Button not black, play order node, find the order. Well, I don't like this solution is to using node in degree. The leetcode video. Okay, let me search in one moment. Think about the YouTube when clear following the point, the fact about the project ordering. Okay, that one initialize the queue to keep track of the nodes in the graph. It's from the reiterate of the edge input, create the adjacent links, and also map when the nodes with 0 degree to queue. Following steps are until queue. Okay, and for example, B and D, B, so now E and E. Okay, topologic order, and course, create a list, the adjacent list of the list. List to add, list, adjacent list, a queue, integrating index I is equal 0, add, when the process queue is incomplete, get the node, topologic ordering index I is equal node, and I increasing 1. Okay, and now let me check the solution for this. I think that this. Mm, 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 mm. I just need to with an array. We build the array, the list. Okay. Okay. Now this is basically this. I think that this is more clear that these solutions that leetcode propose, but okay. I think that I will study first the topological sort, and next to try to resolve this problem again. Uh, Let me check if wait, some code. Oh wow, this is much better the solution. Well, I will try in maybe in a few days resolve again this problem, but before I will study a little bit more. We start to study about the topological sorting. But well, thanks for following this